If you live in a dry region or one that can experience extremely cold winters, a humidifier is an appliance that should definitely have a place in your home. Humidifiers add moisture to the air, which provides several benefits. In this video, we'll go over some of those benefits as well as the different styles available. If you're watching this on YouTube, we'll also include a link to all the models available at Apt down below in the description. We'll start with the benefits, and some may surprise you. Humidifiers can alleviate dry skin, irritated eyes, bloody noses, and cracked lips, as well as helping with allergies and dryness in your throat. And there's plenty of benefits that are often overlooked or just simply unknown. If you find you're often getting shocked whenever you touch a metal surface in your home, a humidifier can help with that. Wood floors will soak in some of the moisture provided, which helps them last longer, and they can even help houseplants stay healthier and greener. And just like the benefits, there are also several types. Impeller humidifiers use rotating discs to fling water through a diffuser to create vapor to humidify the room. These are probably the most recognizable type. Ultrasonic humidifiers use ultra-high frequency vibrations to vaporize water and a small fan to blow the water vapor into the room. These are quiet and don't require any heat source, so they're safe to use around children. Evaporative humidifiers blow air past evaporating water. They have a wick inside that absorbs water and then pulls air through that wick with a fan. The air picks up the humidity inside and carries it back out into the room. These are also going to be quiet and energy efficient. Air washer style humidifiers are great because they serve a dual purpose, to clean the air as well as add humidity to the room. These work by using a disc stack that rotates through a water reservoir. The moisture on the stack collects airborne particles as it rotates, and those get pulled back down into the water. The dust and debris sink to the bottom while the clean water on top will evaporate, humidifying the room. So these not only help humidify, but they also provide better air quality. Lastly are central humidifiers. These attach to a central HVAC system and are ideal for evenly humidifying an entire home. These are great because you don't have to worry about refilling them and they don't take up any floor space, all while operating quietly. It's important to remember that with any humidifier, there's maintenance required to keep them clean. A dirty humidifier can put harmful bacteria and particulates into the air. You'll also want to keep an eye on the humidity levels in your home. Too much can cause wet stains on walls and ceilings, mold to grow, and musty odors throughout your home. If you still have questions on humidifiers or want to place an order, you can always call, email, or chat with one of our experts in person right here at the store. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.